All right, it's Mr. Leong again, and we're going to look at question 3 here, which is have a set of triangles. We have some congruence marks on the triangles already, but what we want to ultimately show is that the angle JLK, which is this one right here, is congruent to the angle MLN, which is right next to it. Okay, we don't have any marks there, so we can't just say that they're congruent. We have to actually prove it. All right. So we're going to have to first establish that the triangles overall are congruent, and to do that we need to use one of these methods up here: side angle side, side side side, etc. Okay. So let's take a look at the marks that we already have. Okay, I see there's a single tick mark here, so that's a pair of sides. I see marks on these angles right here, so that's a side and an angle. And then I see the double tick marks right here, so that is another side. Okay, so it looks like we've got side angle side, side angle side going on. So let's go ahead and plan this proof out. We're going to put a statement about sides, a statement about angles, another statement about sides, a statement about the triangles overall, and then our last statement here, let me create nice rows. Okay, the very last one is going to be a statement about those specific angles. So I'm going to fill that part in since that's what we're trying to prove. Angle JLK is congruent to angle MLN. Okay. All right, so let's start with the pair of green sides, LJ and LM. LJ is congruent to LM, and it was given. Okay, next we'll do the angles, angle J and angle M. And that was also given. And then the other pair of sides, these are the blue ones, JK and MN. And that was given as well. All right, so now let's write a statement about the triangles. Let's go LJK. Okay, so I started at L, and we'll go LMN. Okay. And the method we used was side angle side. So we'll write side angle side congruence theorem. Okay. So we've built up the evidence to claim that the triangles are congruent. And so now we can follow that up by saying any other pair of corresponding parts in these triangles are congruent. Okay, specifically this angle next to L and this other angle next to L, or the names of those angles, JLK and MLN. And so our fifth and final reason is just that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also congruent.